Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yes, we are live in the city of Owerri. We have been in Owerri since Monday. Yes, and today is the eve to the governorship election in the city of Owerri. A lot of tension, a lot of panic, you know, with everything happening. So I'm just passing the INEC office now. You can see a lot of military, police, everything mounting that particular segment just along Owerri Port Harcourt Expressway. So if you're new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do well to click the subscribe button. Also turn on notification there so you get to know we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, thank you very much. We appreciate your love for the channel. Do not hesitate to give us your honest review about this video in the comment section if you have been following up with the Imostate election. Yes, we just passed the INEC office, like I said, and you can see a lot of military and police presence all around the INEC office. And that is how the town has been ever since. I even made a trip to Aba yesterday and returned back to Owerri, and the road was very scanty and dry because there was threat of sit at home, but I didn't experience any sit at home. So I went to Aba and I came back like that. And today also is threatening to be another sit at home. There will be coffee, a lot of uncertainty within the town, within the city. So everybody is literally scared in Owerri right now. So I said, let me do a drive around to show you guys the current state of the town if to the governorship election in the state. So, you know, there have been a lot of tension because of the crisis with the labor union that happened in the state, that the labor chairman was beaten up by thugs in Imostate. So a lot of, like for instance, power has been cut off from the state for about 9 days now or 10 days now, and the threat of light not going in and coming out of the state, and a whole lot of uncertainty around the state in general. So, but so far, since I've been here on Monday, I've not heard of any crisis per se. The whole place has been looking calm. No crisis, just that for every corner you go to, you just get to see military, you just get to see police, see people with guns all over the whole place. So that's the only thing I've been noticing in the town. But today is threatening to be a very critical day in the state. Sit at home is threatened, coffee is threatened, so we don't even know which one it is. So I just told myself I'll be exiting the town this morning, even though everybody is saying be careful. And I'm honestly getting your feedback in the comment section for our videos and the picture we uploaded regarding how I should be careful. I sincerely appreciate your love and concern for me. I'm doing very fine, and hopefully today we'll arrive in Enugu safely. We just passed control now, so we'll just be driving down the town a little bit before I exit the town finally later on in the day. So just to observe how things play out to know if it's safe to go or not. So, but this morning is all looking very, very calm. No much traffic on the road, as you can see. The whole place looking calm, and fuel situation is becoming terrible also in the state. The price has been hiked. Some selling 680, some selling 690, depending on the filling station. So it's also a very critical situation right now within the state. So our fingers are crossed, observing the election in total to see what is going to play out tomorrow. So let's get your review in the comment section. If you're from Imostate, what are your thoughts? What are your feedback regarding the whole election saga? So let us know. Are you here? So how is the whole light situation, the whole fuel situation? How is it impacting on you in the States? So let's get your feedback. So we are currently approaching the government house. The road is quite scanty, though there are commercial buses here, but I believe there will be better activity as the day goes on. So our fingers are crossed to observe that. I just felt I should give you guys pre-election view of the city. So we are watching to see who emerge as the new governor of Imostate. our fingers are really crossed. So we're just passing the entrance to the government house currently. We're just passing there currently. The traffic lights, they are not working. You don't even obey them in Owerri. So the only issue I have with the town basically is their road. There are lots of bad road within the city. You know, I'm just wondering what has been done for the past 4 years in the state. You know, nothing really tangible, nothing really feasible to lay my hand on that has been done in the state. So still a lot of bad roads, driving around New Owerri, World Bank area. You know, a lot of bad roads are still there. Just few of them was done and street light placed on them, but still not enough. More is expected from the governor of Imostate. So more is expected, but let's see how the election turn out. Whosoever emerges have lots and lots of work to do, you know. And also you can also help us share this video so it gets to everyone who are intending to come to Imostate to vote. They are threat of vehicles not going out and coming in today basically, but I know I will go out of the city today, so I can't be here till Sunday after the election basically. So but let's see how it is. The town is looking calm, so those threat of no movement today within the town, I don't think that is possible today. But tomorrow everyone should apply caution while they go out to exercise their franchise, you know. So if you are still seeing our video and you are not yet a subscriber, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell so you get to know when we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, as always, thank you very much. We appreciate your love for our channel. And check our video catalog. We have lots and lots of awesome videos for you in our video catalog. Just go check them out from Imostate, from across the various states in southeast and south. You can just check them out. And I'll be uploading some beautiful drone view clip of the city of Owerri. So we just passed imsu junction now. So taking it down to Okigwe Road. Let's see the situation of things along this Okigwe Road down before we bring the video to an end. The Okigwe Road is like, yeah, we are exiting town already. So let's see if that side is calm or if it is tough. But trust me, if I hear a gunshot now, I'll turn my vehicle and go back. But let's hope we don't hear any sound like that. So like I said, we have an ebook and seller, a guide to exploring Enugu State. So support our little work by purchasing one copy for yourself. It will give you an insight into some beautiful places you can explore in Enugu State. Basically, if you visit for vacation, you know, vacations is not to Lagos or Abuja alone. The East have some beautiful places you can enjoy yourself as far as holidays are concerned basically. So you can go check out our book on seller, and the link will be in the description box for you to get a copy. Yeah, we are just passing this flower by Okigwe Road that it has never been used since it has been erected. What a waste of fund and waste of resources. You know, it has never been used, just packed up there like that. So Okigwe Road too, looking all calm, no issues. People are even, the workers who clean up the streets are doing their job, you know, everything moving on smoothly and fine. So I don't think there is much to this pre-election. We'll be bringing you the updates till we exit the town to know what is happening. So if you are still seeing our videos and you're seeing this video, you are not yet a subscriber, do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you can join our big family. And for returning subscribers, thank you very much. We appreciate your love for our channel. And like I said before, do not hesitate to give us your honest review in the comment section. We'll be looking forward to receiving your honest review regarding this election coming up tomorrow in Imostate. So let's know what you think in general about the election, and if you have a preferred candidate, feel free to share also in the comment section. So thank you very much, guys. So far so good this morning. Owerri is calm. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.